Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about planet Jupiter. How to know by observing a native that this Jupiter is strong in his chart or this is weak in his chart. See, Jupiter is a naturally benefic planet and in fact the most benefic planet out of the 9 planets in the solar system because it controls 5 houses: the second house, the fifth house, the ninth house, the 10th house and the 11th house. So the 5 areas will come under the control of Jupiter. So from the second house comes the family life, comes the wealth. So the wealth that a person will possess will be seen by the strength of Jupiter besides looking at the second house, and the family happiness will also be seen by the planet Jupiter besides seeing the second house. Then comes the fifth house. So the children related happiness, the creativity part, the social standing, the respect, the religiousness will also be given by the planet Jupiter. So the person is going to be well respected in the society. The person is going to be very intelligent because from the fifth house comes the intelligence also. The person is going to be very creative because fifth house is also creativity. The person will be good in performing arts also because from the fifth house comes the performing arts also. The person would be very good on stage because from the fifth house comes the stage related activities. So the person is going to be very capable, very intelligent if Jupiter is strong in his chart. Now comes the ninth house holding. Jupiter holds the ninth house. So ninth house is for your gurus, for your teachers, for the good deeds that you will do in this lifetime, for your higher intelligence and for your father related happiness. So if Jupiter is strong in your chart, you will have good rapport with your gurus, you will be highly educated or you will be having knowledge of higher things in life, and you will be very lucky also because from the ninth house comes your luck also, and you will have a good understanding with your father and with your gurus also. So you will always perform good deeds because Jupiter holds the ninth house. Then comes the holding of 10th house. See, 10th house is controlled by many planets. In fact, Mercury also controls, Jupiter also controls, Saturn also controls. So these all planets, they control the 10th house. So Jupiter, if it is good, it will give you a good work environment also. The person would do well in terms of his career also. And these people are well respected in terms of their positioning in life because from the 10th house comes your social standing also. So these people will do well in their work life and they will be respected. And in fact, I have seen if Jupiter is placed in the 10th house, the person will always be respected and these people will always sit on a very good throne at work. I mean, they will be sitting at a very good position at work, very respectable position at work. In fact, I have seen couple of people's charts who are doing their businesses and who have Jupiter in their 10th house, but they have a very good setup of office where they sit and handle their businesses. So they have a setup like a CEO. So they behave like a CEO if they are going to have this Jupiter in their 10th house. So these people will do well in terms of career. Then comes the 11th house holding by Jupiter. So these people will have tremendous amount of gains. Their pockets will never be empty. This is my personal observation. If your Jupiter is strong in the chart, you will never have the dearth of money. Even if you are not socially well posited, you will always have somebody who will come to you and help you in the time of need. So you will never have your stomach empty or you will never have your pocket empty because Jupiter is also a banker, the banker who possesses money. So see, as Venus is all about money, Jupiter is all about containing money. So if your Jupiter is strong, you will always have wealth in the bank, I mean in the accounts or in your pockets. So Jupiter is always going to bless you with all these things. So 11th house is also your wish fulfillment. So you will be lucky in terms of whatever wishes you want, they will always be granted because of your strong Jupiter. And 11th house is also your elder sibling. So with a good Jupiter, you will have the love and happiness and affection of your elder sibling. So whenever you are going to study about any house, you also have to study the karka of that house. So Jupiter is karka of all these houses. Now besides the karka of these houses, it is also naturally controller of many things. Now let's talk about what are those things. For a female, Jupiter controls her husband. So if a lady is having a good Jupiter, she will have a very worthy husband, a person who is well educated, who is very honorable, who is in a good position in society. In my personal observation, I have seen, as per Nadi, Mars is also considered as the husband. So in my observation, I have seen that Mars will give the happiness of husband and Jupiter will give the social standing of the husband. This is my own observation and I have always found this to be true. So if you want to see the happiness coming to you in terms of your husband, you have to look at the Mars. But if you want to see what kind of social standing your husband will have, how well educated would he be, then you have to look at your Jupiter. So this is my observation and I would like to share this with you. Now after this, you have to see that Jupiter is also about happiness part. So if your Jupiter is strong, you will be always happy in terms of your thinking, in terms of your in terms of whatever God has given to you, you will try to stay satisfied and happy. Then is the forgiveness part. These people are very forgiving by their nature. They will forgive, overlook the mistreatment by others if they happen to come across such kind of treatment. They will be very large hearted people and they will forgive others very soon. This is associated with the story of Jupiter when his wife Tara was like impregnated by moon and Mercury was born, and Jupiter forgave his wife and he accepted Mercury as his son. So Jupiter is considered to be very generous, to be very forgiving by nature. So if your Jupiter is strong, you will have the generosity to forgive others and you will always be very compassionate also. You will always be loving towards others and you will be very social also. These people are found to be having lots of social standing. They will have lots of contacts. They will be very loved and respected for their knowledge and for their creative abilities. These people are also very good with their writing skills and their performing skills. So they are very good with their speeches. They can talk very well and they can convince others very, very well. And these people will always be very energetic and they will have a very positive outlook about life. And because Jupiter is also about life force energy, so these people will always think in positive terms and they will be full of life, and they will try to mend up differences in a very positive manner, and they want to sustain life. They are the ones who work opposite to Mars, because Mars, if Mars's effect will come, it will always try to destroy those things. But if Jupiter's aspect is coming to a bad house, it will always give life to that house, it will always save that house, and the breakage part or whatever disaster has to happen would be controlled if the Jupiter is aspecting a given house. So this is how Jupiter will play a role in a person's life if it is in good dignity in his chart and if it is strong in his chart. Now what happens when Jupiter goes weak in somebody's chart? See, first of all, Jupiter will give very negative results just in case it turns out to be a weak planet or a debilitated planet, or if it is afflicted by a malefic. The person will be having no control on his senses. These people will become very sensual. They will want to attain their sensual desires through any means. They will be prone to addictions also. They will have some disease associated with their body, because as per Nadi astrology, Jupiter is also the Jeev Karka. So Jeev means human being. So if Jupiter is afflicted in your chart, you can never have a sound health. It is very important to have a good health by having a strong Jupiter in your chart. Now, if your Jupiter is afflicted or weak, then you will also have weight related problems. So these people would be seen to be very overweight, or they will always have some problem related to their weight. I have seen mostly people with debilitated Jupiter having weight issues. Now, if it is weak, the person is going to be very arrogant also. He or she will be very selfish also by nature, and they will not forget anything very easily. They will, if you tend to hurt them, they will always remember that thing throughout their lives, and they will never be able to forgive you, because here Jupiter, when it becomes weak or when it goes debilitated, then it will also acquire the characters of Saturn, who is being the dispositor of Jupiter. So in case Jupiter is debilitated, these people will never forgive or forget the faults that you have done to them, and the person will also have problems related to his liver, to his gallbladder, or things related to their speech. They will not be able to have a good speech. Now when it comes to the education part, these people will not be very much interested in the education, and they may not even study much. And unless there is some benefic aspect happening on this weak Jupiter, these people will not want to study more, and they will be satisfied with the minimal studies that they have done, or they will face some issues in their education also. Sometimes with weak Jupiter, the person may not have a baby also. The person, if he happens to have a baby, they will always face some problems related to their child, or the childbirth may not happen at all. Now they will also not have the happiness of a sound family life. There will be some disturbance in the family life also when Jupiter goes weak in your chart. Now in terms of wealth also, they will always be seen struggling. They will always face some problems in the accumulation of wealth, and the wealth would not stick to them, and they will find that the money that they earn, they are not able to save that money easily. So these kind of problems are also seen. Now these people will not have a good rapport with their parents, especially their father, and they will also have problems with their gurus, with their teachers. And when it comes to the good deeds, these people will not give importance to the religious deeds or to the good deeds that one has to perform, and for them the good deeds are only which satisfy their senses, and these people will be very narrow-minded in their thinking, in their approach. Now when it comes to the elder sibling, these people may not have the happiness of elder sibling. Either the elder sibling may not be there, or their rapport with their elder sibling will not be good enough. Now when it comes to the career part, in that area also they will have some issues. They will have to go through tremendous amount of struggle, and things will not come easy to them. And where the respect part is contained, there also they will find something is lacking, and whatever hard work they perform, if they happen to do so, they will find it hard to get recognition in this case. And these people will have not so large heart, and they will be like unforgiving in their approach. And these are some of the things which are to be seen when your Jupiter goes weak. And when it comes to the health part, they will have some issue or the other related to their health also. So friends, this was all about the effects of Jupiter when it goes weak in a person's chart, and you can look at a person and easily recognize that what kind of Jupiter the person is having. Of course, a person's nature is based upon the combined effect of all other planets also, but these are some of the very peculiar traits of planet Jupiter, and on looking at the person you can easily recognize what kind of Jupiter strength is there in that person's chart. So friends, this was all about planet Jupiter. So thank you all for listening, and please do like if you have liked my video, and please do share it with your friends. And